Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Life Reviewed. My name is Dev and today we'll be doing a very traditional unboxing here. You do not see these products anymore these days. Let me tell you about this. This is a landline phone. So in the market these days you do not get many choices of this these days because everyone is using mobile. Landline is very rare these days. So I wanted a landline for my home, so I decided to go with the Beetle. Beetles are the best always. So yeah, let's go ahead with the unboxing and let me tell you a bit about this. So this is the B26 landline model from Beetle. This is a slimline telephone. That means you can see it here. It's a very slim one. It doesn't have that whole thing on that, and I will show you. We'll see really soon how it actually looks. So this has tone pulse dialing, the usual redial function, wall mountable, no caller ID. I didn't want that. I wanted this to be as simple as possible. So 749 MRP, but I got this for around 529 from Amazon. I'll put the link of that below if you want to see that. Very fresh, August 2022 manufactured. And let me see if it's China or India. Marketed, manufactured by, yeah, it's made in Punjab, so it's purely made in India. On the back side, what it says: new Beetle, various models, their camera, slimline features, flash time, ringer on off. Of course, this is wall mountable, so that's one good thing. Tone pulse switchable, of course, number one selling brand, blah blah blah. This has 1 year repair warranty. Okay, and what this side? Black, and that's it. All right, let's go ahead and see what's in the box. So yeah, nothing else. So we have this wire and nicely wrapped in plastic. I would say this is the material used is quite good. So let me take this out first. And we, of course, paperwork. So just one page, that's good. I really like when they do things like this. Safe paper, user manual, installation, connection, precautions and warranty, and a seal, and yeah, customer care number. All right, so let's have a look. So this is the handset, if you might. Beetle branding here, some textures here, design if you can get, and there are two holes here. I think the speakers are set here. When it rings, it does from there. So a lot of space saving going on, as you can see. And speaking of space saving, the keypad is right in the back side of the dial. Speaker, headset is here, the mic is here, ringer on off button, redial is here, flash is here, and the keypad is here, and tone pulse and flash. So I would say very good use of limited space that they have. And coming on the base, nothing here. Yeah, you can hang it. The hanger is here, the hanging slot, so you can put it like this vertically. And yeah, there is no electronics on the base. And this is the cord, nice elastic. And this one directly will go into the socket here, phone socket. It does not connect here. So this one actually does not have any electronic part or any part where you can put the wire. So it will just stay as this, and you can put this out. If I decide to hang it, you have to put this out. It's stuck right now, so put this out and turn this around and do this. So it will provide a hook which will just stay here. Okay, here if you might. Yeah, okay, so yeah, simple and quick. So that's it for today, guys. If you have any question, put that in the comment section below and answer each and every one of you. And till then, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.